When I thought of this, I was actually thinking about everything new comes to life. I think it's both. It's that moment where something Beauty and the Beast, just before the beast dies, the last rose petal falls.
Was when the last petal failed. So, what was the last petal according to you? It's the beginning or the last end?
I think it's both. It's that moment where something old sheds away and something new comes to life. When I thought of this, I was actually thinking about Beauty and the Beast, just before the beast dies, the last rose petal falls, and then, she comes back into his life and he's suddenly human again. And, just the change, the transformation, something bad ending, something good starting, that last petal that symbolized the hope there. That's what my title was about.
So that's really nice. So, according to you, what's new writer or a new poet come if she decide to come in this field? So, what's inspired that?
I think life, just everyday life, what's going on in your life, your family, your experiences, just everything around you, nature. There's just so much around us. Just look at anything for a while, just feel what it makes you feel and just pen down those feelings. That's all you need to do.
So, you are a lawyer in a day and an artist in a night, as you mentioned in a book.
Yes.
So, what's inspired or influenced you to write poetry?
So when I wrote these poetries, I was going through a very dark time in my life. I was dealing with some mental health issues, and at that time, I just felt like I needed to express these emotions that I'm having, and I would do that by writing. It started off by generally just scribbling in a diary, and then it became more like writing paragraphs or diary entries, and then eventually poetry. So it just felt like a way to release these emotions that were stuck inside me, and I did that through this.
So you are a writer and you know that the AI is currently a trend in the market. So if any writer or content creator use any three tool of AI, what would be according to you?
I think it's totally fine if that is what you want to do. I just feel like use AI as like a person to help you write, not it shouldn't take over the writing process completely. They can guide you on what is better to do, what publisher, the structure of writing, or how you can go about it. You can maybe use it to check your grammar if you are unsure, or it can help you with your creative blocks or just stuff like that. But don't put your prompts in and tell AI to write the story for you, because it won't have that emotional depth which would be there when you actually write your own story.
So my last question was also my personal favorite. Have you invited me in your second book launch?
Definitely. Now that I know you, I will definitely invite you for my second book launch.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am.
It was lovely to meet you. Thanks.